comes to starting a digital product business, a lot of people are not telling you the truth about starting a digital product business. A lot of people are making it seem as if you start a digital product business, you're going to get rich tomorrow. A lot of people want you to believe that if you start a digital product business, that means that you don't have to put the work in and you don't have to do what it takes in order for you to make consistent sales. I'm here to tell you guys, starting a digital product business still requires you to do work. It still requires you to show up every single day, even on the days that you do not feel like it. So today is literally day 26 of me posting a YouTube video every single day since September the 1st. When I tell you guys today I almost did not get a YouTube video put out, I literally am filming this video right now at 9:37 p.m. I have literally been on the run all day. I had to work in my hair salon. I had to do so many different errands, and so much just kept coming up. And I was like, you know what? Forget it. I'm just not going to post today. Today going to be the first day out of this challenge that I do not post. And I had to remind myself, girl, if you don't get up and if you do not stay disciplined, I have literally posted every single day since September the 1st. And today is day 26. What do I look like quitting and giving up right now? During the process, when I say that I'm trying to hit $1 million status within 12 months. September the 1st, I said that I was literally going to post a video every single day for 120 days straight here on YouTube. So what do I look like saying it but not showing up and actually doing it? That's one of the things that people don't tell you when it comes to starting a digital product business. On the days you don't feel like showing up, you still have to show up, you guys. If you're saying that you want to start selling digital products and you want this to be your business that replaces your 9-to-5 job, it's going to require you to show up and to be dedicated even when you don't feel like it. Even when you got other stuff going on, even when you done had a long day at work, like no matter what, you have to still show up every single day as if your life is depending on it. When it comes to selling digital products, a lot of people make it look glamorous. They show you the things that you can receive. They're showing you how they're on vacation. They're showing you how they're buying these nice fancy cars and these nice fancy houses. But nobody is literally telling you the process. The process. In the process, that's where your faith is being tested. In the process, that's when you have to show up even when you don't feel like it. In the process, that's when you're planting those seeds so that you can later reap a harvest. You guys, when you start a digital product business, do not expect to start making money every single day the next day, okay? I want to be realistic with you guys, and I want to tell you that you have to push yourself out of the norm. You have to literally be uncomfortable. You have to literally make the decision to stay disciplined even if you don't make a sale. Today I made absolutely no sales from selling digital products. So I had to remind myself, just because you didn't make sales today does not mean tomorrow you will not make sales. I can tell you guys, there are some days I don't make a sale, and there are other days when I literally make $500 to $600 in a single day. So you have to understand that it's a process and it is a part of the journey. But while you're on the journey, while you're going through the process, don't stop. I absolutely wanted to stop today. I wanted to take a break. I wanted to not show up because of the fact I was tired and I felt like I just been running all single day. But I had to show up because this is what I said I wanted. So I want to remind you on today that if you're feeling stuck, if you're tired, if you're saying, I haven't made any sales and I've been trying every single day to post content and it's not working, do not give up. Trust the process and know that you're putting seeds into the ground so that you can reap a harvest. You got to think about it as if you were planting your flowers or whatever, if you had a garden and you were planting your fruits or your vegetables, You have to put the seed in the ground, and you have to wait in order for the harvest to show up. Every single day that you decide to be consistent, every single day that you show up dedicated, every single day that you are disciplined and you put the willpower into getting content out there, that's another seed for your harvest. That means that you are one step closer to what God has for you. People make it look good, you guys, but I want you to understand that this is a process, and you have to be willing to trust, and you have to understand that this is a process, but it is so worth it. But you have to continue to keep going. If you stop, you will never get to see your harvest. You will never get to see what it looked like on the other side. If you're someone who's been losing hope and you're saying, you're ready to give up, you don't know what to do, I just want to encourage you on tonight and let you know that now is not the time for you to give up. It is a process, and you have to continue to put the seeds in the ground and expect a harvest to come. So if you're feeling discouraged, if you feel like you've been posting content and you're not making sales, just be patient, because selling digital products is rewarding. Yes, you can make money. Yes, you can get rich from it. Yes, you can quit your 9-to-5 job. Yes, it is so rewarding. But you guys, I want you to understand that this is a journey, and a lot of people are not telling you how this journey works. They're just showing you these different things, and they make it look good, but nobody tells you about the sacrifices, about the willingness, about the discipline, about the consistency. Like, nobody tells you about the hard part of the journey. It is literally a journey, and you have to trust the process. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and if you need more assistance on starting your digital product business, I want you to go down below in my description and grab your freebie. With this freebie, I'm giving you guys more in-depth details about starting a digital product business, and I'm also giving you 100 digital product ideas that you can go ahead and get started with. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.